All right, so the next project that I've got going on is the ceiling. So it's like there's seams in the roof above, not from the top of the roof, but maybe a structure underneath, that the air is sucking in somehow these dust along these joints. So I was like, man, how am I going to clean this? It's like a carpet up here. I was like, well, hey, I got a carpet cleaner. So this is what I'm using, and we'll see how it goes. By the way, if you're wondering, I'm using a Hoover Cleanslate, and you can see the garbage already collecting in there. Fancy, delicious. Yeah, so I'm just getting it wet first, and I'm scrubbing it with that little guy right there. So you have to kind of hold it at an angle to be able to scrub it, and then suck it up with the sucker part. And yeah, it's coming clean. So hopefully when it dries, it'll be all right. So that's pretty cool. I've got hot water in here, as hot as my sink will make it in the house. And I'm using detergent, like laundry detergent. Pick a brand. I think it was maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons that I put in there. And it seems to be working great. So, because it's pretty regular throughout the coach. It's a seam, I think, in the insulation. So that's before, and this is after. Work in progress. As you can see, not as dark as that. Sorry for making you sick. It's a little lighter. There was one on this side as well. Now it is wet, so I'm hoping that as it dries, it'll lighten up. But pretty impressed with that. That works pretty good, this little Hoover. Thank you very much.